Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'll show you how to delete RedNote app. At first, find the RedNote app icon on your home screen. Then long press the app icon. Tap Uninstall. You might be asked to confirm the uninstallation. Tap OK again. There is also alternative method to deleting RedNote app. To do so, first open Google Play Store on your phone. Then tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Then type RedNote in search bar at the top of the page and press the search icon. Tap on the app icon. Here you can see uninstall option below app's logo. Tap on it. Now you are asked to confirm uninstalling the app. Tap on uninstall again to confirm. As you tap on uninstall, the app starts uninstalling automatically. And that is guys how you can delete RedNote app. Easy, right? So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit share and subscribe to the channel for more.